What fraction of the figure is shaded in this problem? This we have to find out. Now this is a problem of understanding. I'll show you. What I'll do is I'll try to fit each part which is half over here into the remaining half. Let's see. See, shift it as I have shown it. A, B, C, D. There would be 4 shiftings. This A will be shifted this below with blank one. This B will be shifted. Just reverse this upside down and shift it over here. So it will again fill up this gap. Then this D will be shifted from here to here, this blank. This C will be shifted this curve to this blank curve. And hence what you will get in the end is this figure. See here, 4 squares over here, 4 over here, total 16 squares, and these are the shaded ones once you complete the shifting. So what portion is required? What fraction of the figure is shaded? So now it's easy. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 16 are shaded. So answer is 5 upon 16.